What is happening, tech fans? Welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse, where we dive headfirst into the innovation that's shaping our future. The news cycle is moving at lightning speed, and if you blink, you might just miss the next big breakthrough. Today, we've got a lineup of updates that are guaranteed to get your circuits buzzing. From game-changing financial reports that set the market ablaze to the bleeding edge of hardware that's redefining what's possible, we're covering it all. Get ready for insights that are too hot to handle and too important to ignore. Let's jump right in. First up, the tech world is holding its breath for a massive earnings report that could send ripples across the entire industry. We're talking about a company that's not just participating in the AI revolution, but leading it, and their latest financial figures are poised to reveal just how far ahead they've pulled. Get ready for the deep dive into the numbers that everyone will be talking about. Then, we're shifting gears to explore the intricate details of networking technology that's pushing the boundaries of speed and efficiency. This isn't just about faster connections. It's about building the very infrastructure that powers our most demanding applications, and the latest advancements are nothing short of revolutionary. Prepare to be amazed by the engineering prowess on display. Next, we're heading into the exciting realm of robotics, where artificial intelligence is bringing machines to life in ways we've only dreamed of. Imagine robots that can learn, adapt, and interact with the world around them with unprecedented intelligence. We've got the inside scoop on the hardware that's making this a reality. And finally, we're tackling the geopolitical currents that are shaping the global tech landscape. Sometimes, even the most dominant players face unique challenges, and we'll unpack the latest developments that could impact the flow of critical technology across borders. It's a story of adaptation and strategic maneuvering in a rapidly changing world. Don't go anywhere. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. The numbers that matter, NVIDIA's Q2 earnings preview. Get ready for a seismic event in the tech world as AI behemoth NVIDIA prepares to unveil its Q2 FY26 earnings tomorrow, August 27th. This isn't just another quarterly report. It's a crucial indicator of the health and trajectory of the entire artificial intelligence sector, a field where NVIDIA has firmly established itself as the undisputed leader. The company's stock has already seen a significant surge, climbing approximately 42% over the past year. This impressive growth is a direct testament to the insatiable demand for NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI-capable chips and its robust data center server solutions, which are the backbone of modern AI development. Wall Street is buzzing with anticipation, with analysts widely expecting a strong performance that will likely surpass previous benchmarks. The consensus forecast paints a picture of robust revenue and profit growth for the second quarter. Specifically, analysts are projecting earnings per share to hit $1.01, a remarkable 49% increase year-over-year. On the revenue front, expectations are equally bullish, with an anticipated 53% surge from the same quarter last year, bringing in an estimated $46.05 billion. This projected growth aligns with a consistent trend, as NVIDIA has a formidable track record of exceeding Wall Street's earnings expectations for 9 consecutive quarters, a streak that underscores its operational excellence and market dominance. The confidence in NVIDIA's continued success is further reflected in the numerous buy ratings from Wall Street analysts leading up to this pivotal earnings release. John Vin, a 5-star analyst at KeyBank, recently reiterated his buy rating and significantly boosted his price target from $190 to $215. Vin's optimism is fueled by strong projected July quarter results, driven by the relentless demand for AI products and an increase in server rack shipments, which have been bolstered by improved manufacturing yields. A key highlight from Vin's analysis is the remarkable growth of NVIDIA's Blackwell GPU, specifically the B200. He noted a substantial 40% increase in its supply during the second quarter, with further growth of 20% anticipated in the third quarter, signaling a powerful ramp-up for this next-generation AI powerhouse. While Vin maintains an optimistic outlook, he has slightly adjusted his third-quarter revenue forecast downward to $50.4 billion from $53.5 billion, attributing this revision to the exclusion of China's contributions. This adjustment places his estimate slightly below the consensus. Similarly, Ruben Roy, another top analyst from Stifel, reaffirms a buy rating and has raised his price target to $212 from $202, suggesting a potential 19% upside. Roy's confidence stems from the persistent strong demand for NVIDIA's Blackwell chips and the growing momentum of its next-generation product portfolio. For those keen on understanding market sentiment, TipRank's options tool provides valuable insights. It currently indicates that options traders are anticipating a significant price movement of approximately 6.68% in either direction following the earnings announcement. This suggests a degree of volatility and high expectations surrounding the report. With a strong buy consensus rating, underpinned by 36 buy, 3 hold, and 1 sell rating from analysts in the last 3 months, NVIDIA stock presents a compelling investment case, with its current share price target implying an 11.2% upside potential. Audience impact. Investors and tech enthusiasts worldwide are keenly watching NVIDIA's earnings as a barometer for the AI industry's health, with analysts overwhelmingly bullish on its future growth. But what powers these incredible AI advancements? Stay with us as we unveil the next-generation networking hardware that's setting new speed records. The 800 gigabits revolution, NVIDIA ConnectX-8 SuperNIC detailed. At the recent Hot Chips 2025 event, NVIDIA made a bold statement in the high-speed networking arena, showcasing its ConnectX-8 SuperNIC, a formidable PCIe Gen 6 network interface card, NIC, capable of delivering a staggering 800 gigabit Ethernet (GBE) speed. This announcement comes at a time when many competitors are still focusing on 400G solutions, positioning NVIDIA at the forefront of network performance. Beyond its raw speed, the ConnectX-8 boasts integrated features, such as a built-in PCIe Gen 6 switch, that are often overlooked but are critical for high-performance computing environments. NVIDIA emphasizes that the demands of AI training and inference are vastly different, necessitating specialized networking solutions. In this context, NVIDIA has adopted the term SuperNIC, a designation also used by companies like Fabrica to highlight the advanced capabilities of its ConnectX-8. A key differentiator for the ConnectX-8 is its dual support for both Spectrum-X Ethernet and Quantum-X InfiniBand, offering versatility for diverse cluster architectures. This dual protocol capability is crucial for organizations looking to build heterogeneous computing environments that can leverage the strengths of both networking standards. A particularly innovative aspect of the ConnectX-8 is its utilization of a PCIe Gen 6 switch directly on the card. While superficially appearing as a standard X16 connector, the NIC actually incorporates 48 lanes of PCIe Gen 6, managed by an integrated switch. This architecture allows for significantly higher bandwidth and lower latency compared to traditional NICs. NVIDIA's performance charts demonstrate the ConnectX-8's capabilities in RDMA, remote direct memory access, scaling at 800 GB across various message sizes. While the company's charts for throughput performance using NCCL-all-reduce and out all omitted smaller message sizes like 64 KB and 128 KB, which are critical for AI and HPC workloads as highlighted by Broadcom, the overall performance metrics showcase a substantial leap forward. NVIDIA is fundamentally reshaping the data center, transforming it from a collection of well-defined components into a cohesive unit of computing. In this new paradigm, ASICs play a vital role in connecting GPUs to the broader cluster, a task the ConnectX-8, with its integrated switch and high-speed PCIe Gen 6 interface, is designed to excel at. The NVIDIA GB300 NVL72 system is cited as the first deployment featuring the PCIe Gen 6 SuperNIC. This system cleverly integrates a PCIe Gen 5 X16 link to the Grace CPU, a PCIe Gen 6 X16 link to the B300 GPU, and a PCIe Gen 5 X4 link to an SSD. This configuration addresses a challenge for the Grace CPU: which typically doesn't bifurcate down to X4 lanes like most server CPUs. Furthermore, NVIDIA is leveraging the ConnectX-8 on its MGX PCIe switchboard. This board not only pushes Broadcom switch chips from PCIe card platforms, but also provides PCIe Gen 6 connectivity to future B300 PCIe GPUs. While these PCIe form factors are not yet officially announced, NVIDIA's long history of developing PCIe versions suggests that these high-performance cards will be available later this year. The ConnectX-8's integrated Spectrum-X Ethernet switch further enhances scalability and performance for Ethernet-based AI networking. The Packet Processor and Data Path Accelerator, DPA, based on RISC-V, contribute to efficient data handling and congestion control, further optimizing network performance. NVIDIA's strategy of controlling the entire technology stack, from the NIC to the switches and software, allows it to push the boundaries of 800G NIC speeds and integrate them into systems even before PCIe Gen 6 server CPUs become widely available. This end-to-end approach ensures optimal performance and compatibility, giving NVIDIA a significant competitive advantage. The ConnectX-8 is positioned to outperform current market offerings, including Broadcom's Thor 400GB cards and AMD's Pollara 400 cards, solidifying NVIDIA's leadership in high-speed networking for AI and HPC. Audience impact. The unveiling of the ConnectX-8 SuperNIC signifies a major leap in networking technology, promising enhanced performance for AI and HPC applications, though supply remains a challenge. Speaking of AI powering the future, we're now turning our attention to how NVIDIA is bringing unprecedented intelligence to the world of robotics. Robots get smarter. NVIDIA's Jetson Thor supercharges AI capabilities. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transcending the cloud and making its way into the physical world, thanks to NVIDIA's new Jetson AGX Thor developer kit and production modules. This powerful new computing platform is designed to bring advanced AI capabilities directly to robots, including humanoids, industrial machines, and surgical assistants, enabling them to perceive, reason, and act in real time. The general availability of Jetson Thor marks a significant milestone in the advancement of physical AI, a term coined by NVIDIA to describe machines that can intelligently interact with their environment. The Jetson AGX Thor developer kit, available starting at $3,499, offers a staggering 7.5 times more AI compute power than its predecessor, the Jetson Orin. It delivers up to 2,070 FP4 teraflops of AI compute and boasts a substantial 128 gigabytes of memory, all while operating within a remarkably efficient 130-watt power envelope. This substantial increase in performance and energy efficiency is a game-changer for robotics, allowing for more complex AI models to run directly on the robot, eliminating the need for constant reliance on cloud servers and reducing latency. NVIDIA highlights that this translates to 3.5 times greater energy efficiency compared to the previous generation. This leap in capability has already attracted attention from industry heavyweights. Early adopters such as Amazon Robotics, Boston Dynamics, and Caterpillar are integrating Jetson Thor into their next-generation robotic systems. Furthermore, major players like John Deere, Meta, OpenAI, and Medtronic are actively testing the platform to push the boundaries of physical AI. The ability of Jetson Thor to run multiple AI models simultaneously is a critical feature. This includes advanced vision language action models like NVIDIA's Isaac GR00T, as well as large language and vision models. This multi-model processing capability is essential for robots operating in dynamic, unstructured environments, enabling them to understand complex situations and respond intelligently. NVIDIA's founder and CEO, Jensen Huang, emphasized that Jetson Thor was developed with the millions of developers in the robotics space in mind. "We've built Jetson Thor for the millions of developers working on robotic systems that interact with and increasingly shape the physical world," Huang stated. He further highlighted its unmatched performance and energy efficiency, positioning it as the ultimate supercomputer for the age of physical AI and general robotics. The platform's ability to enable real-time inference addresses a core challenge in robotics: the need for machines to process vast amounts of data and make decisions instantly. Companies at the forefront of robotics development are recognizing the transformative potential of Jetson Thor. Brett Adcock, founder and CEO of Figure, noted, "The development of capable humanoid robots hinges on our ability to run powerful AI models directly on the robot, enabling real-time learning and interaction." He added that Jetson Thor's server-class performance, packed into a compact and power-efficient design, is crucial for deploying the large-scale generative AI models required for humanoids to navigate complex environments. Ty Brady, chief technologist at Amazon Robotics, believes the platform could revolutionize global logistics. NVIDIA Jetson Thor offers the computational horsepower and energy efficiency necessary to develop and scale the next generation of AI-powered robots that can operate safely and effectively in dynamic, real-world environments, transforming how we move and manage goods globally, he said. Similarly, Joe Creed, CEO of Caterpillar, sees Jetson Thor as integral to the future of heavy equipment, stating, "As autonomous machines tackle more complex tasks in our customers' operations, edge computing is critical for real-time decision-making." He anticipates that Jetson Thor will enable the development of construction and mining equipment that enhances precision, reduces waste, and improves safety. Jetson Thor is also compatible with NVIDIA's comprehensive software stack, including the Isaac Robotics platform for simulation and development, Metropolis for vision AI, and Halaskin for real-time sensor processing, providing a complete ecosystem for robotic innovation. Audience impact. Leading robotics companies are embracing NVIDIA's Jetson Thor, signaling a major shift towards more intelligent and autonomous machines capable of complex real-world tasks. While NVIDIA's technology is enabling unprecedented advancements, global markets are also navigating complex geopolitical landscapes that can impact technology access. Navigating global tech tides, China's warning on NVIDIA H20 chips. NVIDIA, the dominant force in AI chip manufacturing, recently faced a significant directive from the Chinese government, which has reportedly advised its domestic tech companies to cease using NVIDIA's H20 chips. This move, communicated on a Friday, appears to be a reaction to statements made by Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick regarding China's access to American technology. Lutnick's comments, suggesting that Chinese companies would receive NVIDIA's fourth-best chip and that the U.S. aimed to make them addicted to the American technology stack, were deemed insulting by Chinese authorities. This has intensified China's existing efforts to transition away from American technology, with a renewed determination to expedite this process. Despite this development, NVIDIA's stock demonstrated resilience, rising 1.7% in Friday trading. This muted reaction from investors can be attributed to several factors. Primarily, the broader market sentiment was positive, with the Nasdaq Composite Index seeing a nearly 1.9% gain, largely influenced by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's indication of potential interest rate cuts in September. Investors appear to be viewing the restrictions on the H20 chip as a manageable challenge, especially considering NVIDIA's current market position and the company's history of adaptation. The H20 chip itself is based on NVIDIA's older architecture. In the rapidly evolving AI landscape, competitors like AMD and other chip design firms have either matched or surpassed the capabilities of this older technology. Consequently, NVIDIA's primary competitive advantage and premium pricing power are not derived from the H20. Instead, the focus for investors remains firmly on NVIDIA's latest innovations, such as the Blackwell architecture GPUs and the upcoming Vera Rubin, which are expected to drive future revenue and profit growth. The U.S. government has long imposed restrictions on NVIDIA's ability to sell its most advanced technology to China. While this has historically been a point of concern, the current overwhelming demand for NVIDIA's products has largely overshadowed these limitations. In the first quarter of fiscal year 2026, NVIDIA reported a substantial revenue of $44 billion, a 69% increase year-over-year. The data center segment, which designs its AI chips, accounted for $39 billion of this revenue, growing by 73% compared to the previous year. NVIDIA's forecast for fiscal Q2 projected $45 billion in revenue, a 50% increase, even though this forecast had previously factored in an estimated $8 billion loss in H20 revenue due to export restrictions. While NVIDIA's Q2 results, ending July 27, will not reflect the latest H20 restrictions, investors will be closely monitoring the upcoming earnings report on August 27 for further details and any potential impact on future guidance. However, the company's historical ability to navigate such limitations suggests that the long-term investment thesis for NVIDIA remains strong. The restrictions on H20 sales, while not a positive development, are unlikely to significantly alter NVIDIA's market leadership. The H20 chip does not command the premium pricing of NVIDIA's newer offerings and faces stiffer competition in its segment. Furthermore, the company has already accounted for some of the lost revenue from these restrictions in its financial projections. Ultimately, the core of NVIDIA's value proposition, its cutting-edge AI technology in its latest product lines, remains unaffected by these specific restrictions on the H20 chip. Therefore, investors maintaining a bullish outlook on NVIDIA are likely to continue focusing on the company's ability to meet the unprecedented global demand for its advanced AI hardware. Audience impact. Despite China's directive against using H20 chips, investor confidence in NVIDIA remains high, with focus shifting to the company's next-generation technologies that are unaffected by these specific restrictions. That wraps up our deep dive into today's top stories. Stay tuned for a quick recap and our call to action. And that's a wrap on today's Essential Tech Updates. We saw NVIDIA's Q2 earnings expectations soar, signaling continued AI dominance. We explored the groundbreaking 800 GB e-speeds of the NVIDIA ConnectX-8 SuperNIC, pushing networking boundaries. We witnessed the AI power-up for robots with NVIDIA's Jetson Thor, bringing intelligence to physical machines. And we analyzed China's H20 chip directive, highlighting NVIDIA's strategic resilience. If you found this information valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for more cutting-edge tech news, and hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.